everyone. I am Rishabh Bhardwaj, Assistant Professor in St. Andrews Institute of Technology and Management, taking a fifth lecture on future trends in automobile. Subject Automobile Engineering, Semester 6. Today we are covering our next lecture series topic, that is recent trends in automobile. Nowadays we have seen the different new technologies are coming in our new generation automobiles. As we talk about new cars or new concept cars, electric e-vehicles are in the market, which are making a boom in the market, so that a person can purchase an electric car and got a highly powered and new experience version of the vehicle. If we're talking about recent trends, there are many improvement and advancement introduced in vehicle and automobile. These inventions are come from the problems and the need that are we experience by us or other persons. The main invention are mainly comes with safety and the comfort, and also make system requirement less effort. These systems are mainly electronic, or we can say sensor based system, communication system, and the computer based system. Everything we desired will come into in a physical way. Is the future or recent trends in our automobile. As we know, even this four we have studied about the four-stroke engines in the market. We have five-stroke engine and six-stroke engine also available. Let briefly introduce our first and complete presentation overview. What on which topic we will discuss today. The first is night vision in automobile. Secondly, Google driverless car. Third, automated manual transmission. Fourth, vehicle to vehicle transmission system. Fifth, pre-collision technology. Sixth, start stop technology. Seventh, Land Rover invisible car. 8, smart car. 9, anti-lock braking system. Ninth, airbags. 11th is automated air refilling system. Oh, today we will discuss all these topics in a very detailed manner, and got to know what are they and how they will work, and how we can utilize this new technology in our daily life and make our life very easy and more comfort with our vehicles which we love the most. First, the night vision in automobile. Generally, we face much problem in night, as we are not able to see the road properly, as the upcoming in front cars having their high intensity lights, and our eyes not able to see in such a manner that in day they can see. Basically, if you see in a figure, we have a car which have a mirror, or we can say a screen which shows the back side of the car. We have a new technology in the rear view mirror, that is daylight position and the dark night positions. We have two positions, one for the day, in which we use in the day or very bright light, in a bright day, or simultaneously have a dark night mode. That means we have to switch over the night vision mode, and we are able to see our back coming, the automobiles or the vehicles coming from the back in a very light and very clearly. Yes, we can see clearly in the night, as what type of vehicle on which type and from which side the vehicle is coming from towards us, or it's overtaking to us. Next is Google driverless car. Yes, in 2015, the Google announced its fully functional driverless car. Even Google has tested its driverless car in the market, and they found very new and innovative the way to drive drive a driverless car. Yes, driverless car does not have the driver. It doesn't need any kind of driver or any other assistance to drive. Only what we have to do, we have to set our location and journey and follow the path as as we generally do with our GPS. We have to first search the location, then by which path you have to go for, and third, we have to choose the shortest way. Similarly, we have to do it with the Google car. We have to select the location, path, then location, then path. The car will automatically, by its AI, artificial intelligence, they will collect all the data from the satellites and work from there and drive you very effortless driving, and you will get your location by with zero efforts. Google car also determine or senses the road jams and the vehicle coming towards it. It will stop. It will work as transported vehicle for own, and it will protect us from upcoming cars and the upcoming vehicles which are coming in front of or back from the back side. Third, we have automated manual transmission system. As we know, in the crowded cities like Gurugram, Delhi, and etc., we face lots of jam on the road, and we are not able to perform that efficiency in automobile, and we have to change our gears simultaneously again and again, either from first gear to second, first second, and we get fed up and we have get fatigue over there. So we the new cars have introduced new technology, that is automated manual transmission system. This is same as the manual transmission system, but this is automated. There is a two version of the manual transmission, that is automatic transmission system and manual transmission system. But combinedly we are making a new concept, that is a automated manual transmission system, in which the gear are transferred manually, but we have a optimized and sensible system by which the car will automatically transfer the gear as according to their RPM or requirement. We don't have to change the gear. The driver will not change the gear, but the car senses the RPM or requirement and changes the gear accordingly. Some cars which are generally used in our daily life, there an automatic transmission system, that is Celerio, Alto K10, Tata Jest, even Nexon, and many more. Thank you. As you can see the figure, we have a automatic manual transmission system, in which we have N stand for the neutral, R for the reverse, and A for the motion. We have to switch the location of the lever, and we will get drive effortless drive. Then we have a vehicle to vehicle communication system. Yes, this is the very new concept of vehicle to vehicle communication system. It means all vehicles have a senses or a sensors by which we can communicate with other cars. Every cars have their own senses or have some data, and which will be connected to the other cars and got to know to which crashes and exchanging of data, speed, position. We can optimize all the things about the other cars, even the car numbers, car details, as car engine number, chassis number, owner, or expiry date, and all the things, even the location of that car by vehicle to vehicle communication system. This is very new in the field, and not much in many cars, but we can say that many cars automobile manufacturers like BMW, Audi, Honda, General Motors, and etc. are using this technology for their roadside assistance matter. You have very soon got to know that every car got the Google Assistance, or kind of like we can say that BMW. Let's say example for the BMW Assistance. If we got any problem in your car, but just you have to do connect with the Wi-Fi or internet, and you have to call the BMW, and all the services and all the problems which occurred during your traveling will be rectified and diagnosed and repaired through your internet, and your car will be get repaired at the road, not at the service station. Yes, clearly we can see the communication with other cars also. Yep. Next is pre-collision system. This technology main dependly upon the two sensor. First one is millimeter wave radar, and other is monocular camera. As you see, now every car has pre-installed sensors, car parking sensor on the backside of the bumper, on which when we reverse our car, the sensor will rectify and tell us how much meter or centimeter we have to move from the wall, and at what time we have to get stopped, so that we will not get collision. Second, we have the cameras. Rear view parking cameras are also available in the market, which measure the distance of collision particle or object to the car, and rectify and determine us at our instrumentation panel screen, and we will got to know that we have at what time we have to stop, or we are on which basis we will just justify and move our car backward or forward. Start stop technology. Yes, in March 2014, Splendor iSmart introduced, in which the start stop technology has introduced by the Hero Motocorp. This system will help to save the fuel in ideal running. Yes, what will happen? We can do start and stop, but not we can start or stop the engine by not pressing without pressing the start button. Yes, on the ideal when we are in the jam, what we have to do, the engine will smartly stop its working. It will just in working ideally, but it will not get start it. Whenever we press our clutch, then again the engine start working, and it will work as same as earlier. As similar as if we take the example of laptop, if we are working on a laptop and we are just put its screen down, it will goes on the hibernate mode. In the similar way, the bike will goes to the hibernate mode, and whenever we open the screen again, it will work again as earlier. As same as the Splendor iSmart will work, and it will again start at the initial point. Then we have a Land Rover invisible car. Yes, invisible car doesn't mean that the car will not shown to other persons and etc. It means The Land Rover has installed some cameras and the sensors by which it will see that hidden or not visible areas, as we see in the figure in which a SUV is climbing on the hill, by which the driver is unable to see the area below the headlights, or we can say the area which is upcoming to the road, or upcoming to the tires. The drivers is able to see the far away places about 10 meters. So the car has the manufacturers has installed some cameras and some sensors in which we can see the blind areas over the car, and we will get notified that we have to change the route or not. Yes. Next is smart car. Some smart car is enabled to GPS maps, streaming music, weather forecast, and lots of other applications. The car under smart technologies are Audi, Bentley, Chevrolet, Ford, Fiat, etc. This is a thing, this is a device which we use as a music system, in which all the features of weather forecasting, GPS, mapping, and other things are pre-installed in this device. The all the things or smart connectivity, internet connectivity is all based upon this device, and all the things will be accessible or work with this type of technologies. Next, we have a airbags. Yes, we have a airbags. Airbags is a very safety is under the safety category, which enables to blow when suddenly pressure increase on bonnet. It works on a pressure sensor. It saves the life of the passenger as well as the co-passenger. And when the time the collision occurs on the bonnet, and the car automobile is not able to move or got highest jerk level, it will inflate and save the life of the driver, as it one airbag is on the steering and other is on the dashboard or instrumentation panel, by which the head of the driver and the co-passenger will hit the up bag, not over the dashboard or the steering, and the life will get saved from this technique. Next is automatic air refilling system. Yes, this is very new thing. A automatic air refilling system in which the tires get inflated with the help of smart technologies. If the pressure of the tires will get reduced, simultaneously the compressor will get start, and it will again refill the tire air pressure accordingly. If the pressure increases, it will reduce the pressure and make it constant for all the time. Even for this, we don't have to stop our car on during the time of running. It will inflate the tire also. For this, we need a pressure sensor and a compressor over in the boot, which optimize the pressure of the tire for all four-wheel tire pressure. If they need any requirement for pressure, the compressor will start and fill the air in the tires, or if the pressure of the tire will get higher, it will reduce the pressure of tires. What are the advantages of the future trends we are discussing about? The all the things, it makes less chances of accident hazards. It will reduce, definitely it will reduce the accident hazards, as we are able to see the blindfold areas. Even the backside we have a rear view cameras and the sensors, even the parking sensors and etc. High fuel economy can be obtained. Yes, the high fuel economy can be obtained by we can optimize and utilize the maximum fuel of the car, as we see that the iSmart technology can save our fuel on the ideal mode. High safety achieved. Yes, safety achieved means we have achieved lots of safety features as airbag, air automatic air inflation, and much more. System become effortless. Our system become effortless, and we don't have to panic and put more efforts, rather than focusing on our automobile. We have to enjoy our journey and make our journey effortless. What are the disadvantages of this? As we see, we have lots of advantages as well as simultaneous we have a disadvantages for the same, but the cost of the automobile increases and implemented such innovations, and dashboard construction may complicated. To these types of disadvantages, we are not following the same. The cost of automobile may be increased, but we'll get the high effortless driving, and we will experience lot of fun, and it will help, definitely help our efforts and our creativity and much more. The Definitely the cost matters, but the facilities and the effortless driving may may make much more interest in our automobiles. Dashboard construction may complicated, but such complications include much opportunities. Complication dashboard can be minimized or optimized in the future, but the way it but the future trends or the recent trends, we have to follow these trends rather than taking the disadvantages of that. Such systems are used in automobiles like sports car, government vehicles, military vehicles, costly cars, and etc. In the sports car, we have seen the high horsepower engine are installed. Many safety features like airbags, CBD, ABS are pre-installed in the car. We have remote sensing sensors, or reverse parking sensor, reverse parking camera, and side view mirror cameras also are available in this era, and reverse view parking, rear view mirrors, and etc. are pre-installed in the sports car. Government vehicle safety features and the bulletproof vehicles and highly tinted glasses and toughened glasses are installed in the government vehicle for the purpose of safety and etc. Military vehicles are the super vehicles by which it's a survival. We can also known These vehicles are also known as survival vehicles. In these vehicles, although what we are observing or what we have, it all based upon the military ethics. All the things which we need during the in the case of emergency, all the things are available in this type of vehicles. If we're talking about the first aid or armatures, weapons, and living essentials, and food, all the things which will be required in the case of emergency, everything is present in military vehicles. Costly cars means the cars generally about 15 to 20 about the 50 20 lakhs. All the facilities are available in this. Lastly, for the conclusion, the implementing this system make driving simple and save fuels, better efficiency, higher protection, excellent comfortness. The mechanical engineer implements some advanced technique for the better result and customer satisfaction, which ideas come from the customer reviews. Whatsoever you will suggest to the company or you desire to the company will follow the same and try to give all the essential essentialities to you and provide you in such a way so that you will get comfort and effortless driving. or you will get a much higher experience. Thank you for today, and we will meet in our next series at in lecture 6. Thank you.